To create a project on Bidmii, once logged in, find and click on the Post a Project button on the dashboard. Start from scratch, post a design project, or use one of the templates provided. Enter project details. Give your project a clear, descriptive title. Answer leading questions about your project to provide a detailed description of the project, including any specific requirements and expectations. Review your auto-generated summary. Choose a location for your project. Attach any relevant documents, images, or plans that will help contractors understand your project better. Review all entered details to ensure accuracy. Click on Accept Calls to ensure a seamless selection process. Promote your project to get bids fast. Publish project to start receiving quotes. Once submitted, monitor contractor bids and messages through your Bidmii dashboard.